XXXTENTACION passed away 7 years ago today. Here is how his last day went. He started his day just like any other. At 6 a.m., he played League of Legends, before logging off 22 minutes later. By 8 a.m., he was back in the studio, working on his new track Chase/Glass Shards. The next 6 hours were filled with music and time spent with his girlfriend, Genesis, who wasn't feeling well. At 3:11 p.m., he FaceTimed his mother, asking her to join him at a dealership. After a brief argument, she agreed to accompany Genesis to the doctor instead. At 3:20 p.m., X stopped at a bank to withdraw $50,000 in cash. After 20 minutes, X arrived at Riva Motorsports, where two men walked beside him, while the others waited outside. Nearly half an hour later, X left the dealership, entered his BMW i8, and began to drive away from the dealership. But as he tried to exit, a Dodge Journey blocked his way, and masked men jumped out. Newsom entered the passenger side of the vehicle and stole X's Louis Vuitton bag. Despite the robbery being over, Boatwright walked back 2 feet away from X's vehicle, held his rifle, looked X in the eyes, and fired multiple shots.